This pumpkin bread is delicious. It has a secret ingredient. It makes a great gift, and it is absolutely delicious. You gotta try it. First, 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar packed, 3 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons baking soda, 2 teaspoons salt, approximately a half teaspoon to a teaspoon of nutmeg, and same cinnamon. You could use a good heaping teaspoon of pumpkin pie seasoning, like if you wanted, but next here, 4 eggs, all the wet ingredients. We're going to beat as we go here. 1 cup of oil and or melted butter, 1 can of pumpkin, 15 ounce or 1 7/8 cups of pumpkin. God knows there's enough sale on canned pumpkin where it's just easier than pureeing your own. Unless you had a free pumpkin. Then you just roast it in the oven on a medium-low heat, like 300 or something like that, until it's mushy. And then you just scrape that out and you puree it, and that's it. 1 teaspoon vanilla. The secret ingredient that I told you about earlier, half a cup of citrus juice, cranberry juice. I'm going to add a little bit of lemon juice on top of that. Mix with that cranberry juice. That's going to give it an awesome flavor. Okay. Add the dry ingredients and just fold them all in until it's mixed without the lumps. Okay, now you can use 9x5s, you can use mini ones. I am going to use these disposable ones because I'm going to give them away as gifts. But the temperature is 350. The cooking time varies because these are going to be about like 25 minutes. The big pan is going to be close to an hour and 10 minutes. And these will probably be about 50 minutes. So we're going to have to check them with a toothpick to make sure it comes out clean. And that's how you know they're done. Make sure to give your pans a spray or grease them, flour them. Divide this up in between your pans, making sure that the containers are about halfway full because it's going to rise. Now, 1. Let's get these in the oven. 350. Haha. Okay. Optional. I have crushed walnuts. You can do crushed walnuts or crushed pecans, and you can put this stuff over the top. About a half cup of walnuts. This is enough for like a couple of loaves, depending on how you do it. So, we're going to add this to 2 of them, and we're going to do something to the other 2 later. But first, let's get these on here before you bake them. There. Now, into the oven. There we go. Well, it's coming out clean. We're going to take 4 ounces of cream cheese, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup. Mash these together. Get it started. Let it try to come up to room temperature. Mine was almost there. I'm just getting impatient. Okay. Now, 1 cup of powdered sugar. 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla, or you could use maple. Okay. Stir and incorporate. Now, we're going to stick this one with the glaze in the refrigerator, and this is going to set and firm up. Okay? There we go. Look at that. Pretty. Oh, they look all pretty. Taste test. Right? Enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, watch one of my other ones. Hit the subscribe button. I'll see you next time on Randy's Family Kitchen.